How to activate Belk Rewards credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Belk Rewards credit card online. To do so, first of all, you will need to go to the official page of Belk credit card management site. For that, open any web browser on your device and in the search bar type Belk credit card activation. Once you type this keyword, press the enter button of your keyboard to search it. Within a while, you will be presented with the search results. Here you need to click on this first link, belk.syf.com. Once you click on it, you will be taken to the official page of Belk credit card management site. Now once you reach to this page, here you will need to scroll down and then there you will find this section where you will need to give the card information. In this first box, enter your 16-digit card number. Make sure you enter the correct card number here. Now after entering the card number, in the second box, you need to type 3-digit security code. It is located on the back side of your card. You can check it. And in this third box, you need to type last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you type in all these informations, now you need to click on this activate my card button at the bottom and submit this form. After that, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card is now active and it is ready to use. So by following the steps, you can activate your Belk Rewards credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.